Here's how to find untitled spreadsheets that actually have data in them. So when you create a new spreadsheet like sheet.new, you go there in Chrome and it creates an untitled spreadsheet. You use it for a little while and then you forget about it. You forget to change the title. But it ends up in your Google Drive. And if you go to your Google Drive and you search in quotes for untitled spreadsheet, we have a bunch of untitled spreadsheets. Now, some of these are actually useful. They have data in them, or they have something that you've been doing in them, but you just forgot to name it. Now, how we find it is over on the right side, you'll see file size. Anything that's 1 kilobyte is not necessarily blank, but it is not necessarily a large amount of data. And so we can see that some of these are 2 kilobytes. And if we open it up, we can see there is data in it. There is something that I've done here, some amount of information. And so I can come in here and now re-edit this name so it's not just untitled spreadsheet. I can be like, oh yeah, this is supposed to be whatever this is supposed to be. So hopefully that is helpful to you. To find all your untitled spreadsheets, just go to your drive, search for them, and look for anything that has a file size more than 1 kilobyte. But you can actually go and check all the 1 kilobytes because they'll have maybe some information. This has some timestamps, but I can go to File and move to Trash and delete this completely. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.